Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix high DPC latency issue in Windows 11, 10. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click power options, change any other power plan. Second method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click network and sharing center, click connected network. Click properties, uncheck IPv6. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Type BCD edit space, /set space, disable dynamic tick space, yes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.